Hi guys, welcome to Docker series. In the previous section, I explained about what is Docker network and how you need to create like existing Docker networks if you want to see just sample example visa, right? This is the part we discussed about, right? So how this communication is happening these two and using Docker 0 default it will be create. Now we will see today's session. This I will run my Ubuntu machine with network equal to none. Then we'll check the IP whether really IP is exist or not. Okay, let me go to my Ubuntu machine. See, destination host is unreachable still. Let me exit here. Okay, now I'm giving as a control peak. If you give means this is won't exit. Okay, Docker ps right now how many containers, only one container 2 is running now. Okay, now what I will do, docker container run hyphen it in interactive mode plus detached mode. And what I want to do, I want to give name hyphen name, which name I want to give, container 3 I'm giving now this time. Okay, which machine I want to run the Ubuntu. Okay, my container is created. If you see docker ps, I think you are able to see my docker container 3, right? If you want to inspect, if you want to see the IP address is allocated or not, how you will see, docker inspect inspect container 3. If you see here, okay, sorry, we created the container, default it is created. Now I need to specify the network equal to host. Okay, hyphen network equals to host I given. Now I will run one more container 4. Okay, your container is created. Now I want to inspect my container 4. See here, there is no IP address, there is no gateway IP, no gateway address also. This is called the network host. I hope you are clear, right? Now we'll see hyphen network equal to host. That means I will create one nginx server. That nginx server I will run 8080 default it will be run. If you create one more it won't happen. Why? Because conflict will be happen. How to use network equal to host, this is no need to do anything. I will show you this part. Now if you see brctl show, right now how many I have, two containers I have. Okay, if you confirm, you have one more IP addr show. If you, this is also giving the same, how many is running, see, 1 2. Okay, now I will run my nginx. Now how we do to run, docker container, okay, run hyphen sorry it interactive mode. Okay, and I want to specify my network equal to uh, I, host I need to provide. Okay, hyphen name nginx container and give your image name. This is also like a server. Now it is running. Okay, if you want to check docker ps, where is my nginx container? Okay, it is running in the background about a minute ago. I'm not able to see here what we done mistake, anything we done mistake. Let me check docker ps hyphen a docker system prone. I'm removing all unnecessary things. Okay, if you want to reclaim docker ps hyphen a. Okay, docker ps, I will run again container, anything we miss, docker container hyphen in interactive mode I want to give hyphen hyphen network equal to host, you given as a name. I want to run the nginx, enter. See, now your nginx server is it is saying address already in use, that means it is running our let me check. See, your local host is running on your based host machine. Just if you don't know, just close local host. See, welcome to the nginx. Okay, now if you observe here in your util brc tl show, if you see here, I'm able to see only the two. I'm not able to see another nginx. It is using the host. I hope you are clear. Okay, now next part, bridge network, none and host is clear, right? Now you want to create your user defined network. I want to create by using this IP. I want to create my your own network. How to create, we'll see. This is the syntax. Now let me clear my screen. Okay, docker network create. Okay, you want to provide your subnet. Okay, subnet, any IP you can give. You want to give suppose 187.20.0.0 slash this many IP address. You need to give your gateway also. Okay, gateway, this is if you want to create the network, one IP should be allocated for this one. Okay, 187.20.0.1. you want to give some name, right? I will give Java Express network. I'm giving. Okay, your network is created. How you can confirm? Docker network ls. See here, by default it is using the bridge driver. Your network is created. I hope you are clear now. Okay, now I will run one container now. No, docker container. Okay, why? Because I need to attach to run my container within this private network. If you see in the PPT, by default if you give, what will happen? It will be run in this network, right? If I want to say to my container, hey, run my private network, how I can tell? Container run hyphen hyphen itd. Okay, you can provide your network name, hyphen hyphen network equals to, you can provide your Java Express network. You can give our machine Ubuntu. One more hyphen I given here. Okay, now your container is created. Okay, if you see docker ps, some we didn't given any name, right? It is using some default name. Randomly it will be generate. What I will do, docker inspect your container id. If you give this container id, which IP should it will allocate? See, 187.20.0.2 is am I correct? If you want to see BCR CTL show, if you see here, see, this is the you given as the bridge name, that is your network name. It will be randomly created by the docker br hyphen some name. See, it is allocated this machine 40a. If you want to see if config 1 2 3, okay, you can see your docker 0. This is your docker 0. This is you created one custom network, right? You can see here your IP address. This is the way you can create your own network in docker network. Basically this concept will be useful in the orchestration engine, like in the Kubernetes it will be useful, but better you know the concept is a good idea. I hope you clear. Now we can final touch what we can do. Docker network ls, sorry, docker network ls. I want to remove my network. Docker network rm, give your image id. It will give, hey man, you already using, by using this network, you're already running one container, please go and stop. Okay, I will go and stop. Docker ps, if you given docker. Okay, before stopping, uh, your task is create one more container with the same network. Go and check ping, just both are ping is happening or not. Initial, in the first previous slide I explained, right, with the existing network you go and install the ping whether it is working or not. Just okay, we'll create one more container also, then no issue. Okay, where is our command? Okay, this is one, right? I want to run one more container, docker container run hyphen itd, right? I want to give some name also. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now how many containers? Docker ps, this is 2 minutes ago, this is 4 minutes ago. Just go and check this ip address what it is created. Docker inspect, sorry, spelling wrong. This is my ip. Okay, just copy 03. Okay, now what I will do, I will log in inside my container now. Which container will log in? Second container will log in. Okay, docker container exec hyphen it, and you need to provide your id. You need to run in the which mode? Bash mode you want to run. Okay, bin/bash. Okay, clear my screen now. You want to ping, which ip we given, I forgot. Copy pasted, right? Sorry. Okay, let me open another window. ifconfig, which ip you given? 187.20. right? Ping 187.20.0.2. oh, you need to install the ping also. Copy. I will give these commands in a video section, no worries. If you like this video, just go and hit the subscribe button also, right? You will get more updates from our channel. Even Android also we started. If anyone interested, just please go ahead and run. You, if you want to create your own applications, just it's really easy to create your applications also Android. Okay, now we'll run our ping command. See, are you able to run now? I think these two communications happening as per the diagram. See, it is running these two, it is running these two. The previous, this is the default bridge. I hope you clear about the Docker network. If you have any doubt, please leave the comments if you like this video, and hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next tutorial.